In this video, I want to go over some free resources to learn accounting. If you want to become a remote bookkeeper, but maybe you're still kind of researching the field and you're not 100% sure if you want to move in that direction, then I'm going to talk about some free ways you could start learning accounting and learning bookkeeping without necessarily investing money into it just yet. So probably the first place that I would recommend going is this website called accountingcoach.com. I'm not affiliated with this website. I just happen to find it, and I think it's a good website to learn all of the basic topics of accounting. Over here on the left, you'll see tabs, and you can go to each tab, and it tells you what parts are free and what parts you would have to pay for with a pro membership or subscription. And I'm just going to click on this. So you can see it's basically like reading a textbook. You would just read the topics. There are some quizzes and things like that. If you scroll down, there's a practice quiz. So this is a really, really good starting point for you to start looking at the information, start learning it, and see if it's a direction you want to go in with your career. Or if you're a business owner and you're maybe doing your own accounting, or you just want to understand accounting for your own business and understanding the financial statements and things like that, then this is a good website for you as well, because you could learn some of the basics of accounting without necessarily spending the money on a course. And then what I would recommend once you start learning this stuff is, I know for me, it's hard for me to learn in more of a textbook format. I can read, but I'm gonna start getting really tired and wanting to fall asleep pretty quickly. I need more of an interactive type learning environment. So what you could do also is, when you read about a topic over here, then you could go to YouTube and search for that same topic and watch some videos on the topic. There's a lot of free information out there. There's websites, there's YouTube. So you really could learn quite a bit without spending any money. Okay, and then once you start having a feel for the accounting basics, if you want to be a remote bookkeeper, the next thing I suggest is to start learning some of the software programs. I'm going to show you a couple of them. The first one is Wave Apps. You can set up an account for free. There are additional features that you can pay for, but just to practice bookkeeping is going to be free. So you can just set up an account, and you can actually create several accounts or several sample businesses within one login. So up here at the top, you can switch to different companies. You can see that I have more than one sample company in here. And basically, you could just start recording transactions. You could record some expenses. You could record some income. You could try out some journal entries. So there's a lot you could do in here to just practice. You could set up some invoices. And I have several videos on this software, so you could watch my videos and get familiar with it. But I think you'd find that you could watch one or two of my videos and then get in here and just start practicing. And then once you get closer to starting your remote bookkeeping business or start getting clients, then I recommend you set up a QuickBooks ProAdvisor account. This is going to allow you to have one login for QuickBooks Online, and you will be able to go to all of your clients' accounts. You can go back and forth between each person's QuickBooks Online account. It also has training, certifications, and other accountant tools that you can use to help you do bookkeeping. And this program is completely free. And once you set up your account and log in, you will find this ProAdvisor tab, and there are a lot of training options. You can get certified. There's a regular QuickBooks Online certification, an advanced one, and a payroll one. You can see I've just done the regular one. And then there's also a pretty good sized training library with several classes, and you can also do some of their webinars. So this is a really good resource. QuickBooks Online is a pretty popular software that a lot of your clients may use. So I think it's a good idea to start learning the program if you don't already know how to use it. And then you can also find information on the Intuit website. You can see that there's a lot of options here for different topics that you can learn about. And then another thing I really like about this is if you click on the gear icon, you can go to the sample company. And what this sample company is going to allow you to do is practice. It actually has transactions in here, it has customers in here, and it will allow you to actually enter transactions and match transactions and reconcile and so many things. You can look at the chart of accounts and add accounts, remove accounts. In other words, you can practice quite a few things in this sample company, and it's all free and part of your ProAdvisor account. And then the nice thing about this sample company is that you can do several things in the software itself in the sample company. And then if you log out and log back in, you can practice it all again because it will have wiped out all the things that you did. In other words, you're going to start at the beginning every time you log in, as if you didn't even touch this company. So I hope this gave you some ideas on how to start learning accounting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And otherwise, good luck in your bookkeeping career. Thanks for watching.